This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Push volume to max and flip the silent switch, because many problems are just routing or muted audio. Once done, turn off Bluetooth to prevent sound going to another device, and open setting sounds and haptics to confirm ringer and alerts levels. While you're here, restart the iPhone. This clears temporary software glitches. Make sure to run a quick test in voice memos or a call so you immediately see whether the issue persists. Next, you'll dig deeper. Update iOS because software fixes audio drivers. Make sure updates finish and reboot when done. Then physically inspect the speaker grill. Remove lint or debris with a soft brush and short bursts of compressed air because blockage reduces volume. In Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual, check left-right balance and mono toggles. An unbalanced slider can make one speaker seem low. Finally, test using voice memos and a loud song to compare output levels clearly. If the sound is still low, you'll move to final measures. Back up your iPhone now because a DFU or full restore will erase data. Restore the device and test before reinstalling apps. This rules out stubborn software corruption. If audio remains weak after a clean restore, it's likely hardware. Contact Apple support or an authorized repair center. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a Bluetooth or external speaker to isolate whether the internal speaker or system audio output is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.